one of the challenges that we have in the transfer of administrations is that often data goes offline. I'm going to try and get to it a different way. Okay, 2028. Let me try this. See if it works for us. Okay, I'm going to just quickly examine it. Okay, there are CSV files in there. So now I'm going to pop back into my ArcGIS. Okay, I'm going to just jump into my map real quick and see if I can add this file. All right. Okay, it already has that long in it. Perfect. Okay, we're going to call this library. And I'm just going to make sure that I have the website in here in case anyone wants to come back to it. Okay, so I'm going to add this layer. And wait for it to load. Ooh, okay. So first thing I'm going to do is change my base map actually, because for stuff like this, I really just like dark canvases. You can do light if you like, it's totally design choice up to you, but this is just for purposes of what I'm looking for here. Okay, so we now have all these individual points on the map. So these are effectively all the libraries that, it's interesting. So let's see what this is. Susan Luttenberg Gallery, sorry, all of the museums, okay, that are, anywhere in the country. So I'm going to do it at this zoom, okay. All right, I'm going to come on over here to edit layer style, and you'll see I have two options. A heat map is a really interesting one too. You could have done this as well, or you can do this as well. In this view, obviously the denser areas of museums, have got this higher color. So, just something to consider. Okay. And then this is really this dot density map. So this shows us where things are to a degree. So I'm gonna edit my style a little bit here. I'm gonna change my outline color. So it's just a little bit. There we go. Low key. Okay. So I could click done at this point. And then this is really what I'm looking for. I always want my legend. I would want to probably, rename some of these fields a little bit and do some of that process with my data up front, becoming familiar with it, depending on what you're going to use. But just kind of overall, Keegan, please take care of yourself. Sorry to hear that you were dealing with this issue with your family, and I do hope everybody is, able to be well and take care of themselves. Okay. So for the purpose of the extra credit, you're all set. If you want to go ahead and do this too, you'll get additional extra credit. I'll take a dot density or a heat map on any source of information you want. And again, really the key point here is a lat long. I think the opioid prescription data really just went down to the county level, and that's not giving us what we want here. So yeah, that's it. And great work.